Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the black screen issue when opening Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it loads up, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see three horizontal lines. This is your main menu icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can adjust various aspects of your browser's performance and behavior. Once you're in the settings panel, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see several options listed vertically there. From these options, click on System. This section contains settings related to how Brave interacts with your computer's hardware and resources, which is exactly what we need to access to fix the black screen problem you've been experiencing. Now, in the system settings, look for an option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. This feature is designed to use your computer's GPU to speed up certain visual processes in the browser. However, sometimes this can cause compatibility issues with certain graphics cards or drivers, which results in that frustrating black screen you've been seeing. Right beside this option, you'll notice a toggle switch. Go ahead and toggle it off. Disabling this feature forces Brave to use your computer's CPU instead of the GPU for rendering, which often resolves black screen issues and other display-related problems. After toggling off the graphics acceleration, you'll see a button that says Relaunch appear. Click on this button to restart your Brave browser. This restart is necessary for the changes to take effect properly. The browser will close completely and then reopen automatically, this time without the graphics acceleration feature enabled. And that's it. You've successfully disabled graphics acceleration in Brave, which should resolve the black screen issue you are experiencing when opening the browser. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.